Alright, it's Saturday, March 8th. By this morning we got about 8 inches of snow. And since then we've probably got another 4 inches. They say we're getting 2 inches per hour. And I'm not all the way to the ground, but I mean, you can see my boots, but I'm not all the way. Let's see, where's the ground? Oh yeah, I'm still not to the ground. Well, anyway, oh, there's the ground. Okay, hey. So yeah, it's deep. Look at how far Molly's buried. See how far her legs are up? So, we have drifting and blowing and yeah, it's about, they say it feels like 9 degrees with the wind chill. It doesn't really feel that cold, but it's still snowing. I think this bench, look at this. You can't even see the legs of the bench, the snow is so high. But isn't this cool how the snow blew on the seat? I think that looks awesome. But yeah, now I'm okay. See, now I'm like in the snow. I was just out here a couple hours ago taking pictures, and you can tell my footprints. Of course, Molly just plowed through here. You can tell my footprints though got snowed over. So that is our snow report thus far. And apparently overnight we are to get 6 to 9 inches more. Hooray! Not really.